Stop and think of what you're grateful for. But understand this, you will never attract to you wealth, happiness, health until you get the paradigm.
How to bring something you want into your life. Assuming this is true, I believe that wanting to manifest something starts with the tiniest part of yourself. Let's call it the world of thoughts. But you can't grasp it. The only person who knows about it is you. So the question is, how can you start expressing what you feel deep inside in a way that the world of forms starts to reflect it? This is what you want: harmony. You want something inside you to directly resonate with what's available on the outside. I don't think there is a magic formula for this. All I know is that 100% hard work helps. Just think about what you want. Just say your prayers based on the type of prayers you want to say. But if you want something, spend some time making it real in your mind as best you can. Make it feel able by putting your thoughts in the area where you can feel it. This is the first step of realizing that you're no longer just thinking about it. You can feel it. It might not be there physically, but you can sense it. What kind of energy is it? And what kind of changes happen in the flow of life?
If you have reached the top of the mountain, there's only one direction where it will go. Once you know this, once you can sense it in your own life, in your different life areas, how is it professional-wise? In your professional life, where are you standing? Do you have the feeling you are like in small growing mode? Are you already in super high expansion? In which state are you already? Relation-wise, physical-wise, mental health-wise. No matter, there are so many areas where you can actually relate this model now to. But it just gives you an additional idea that, first of all, what is most probable to happen next, or what are the possibilities that can happen next.
According to this philosophy, you create your own reality. What you focus on is what you draw into your life. It suggests that what you believe will happen in your life is what does happen. While people sometimes mistakenly believe that simply thinking positively about your career aspirations will manifest positive changes, the key is to use your long-term goals to make specific, concrete changes in the present that will help you take steps toward your goals.
The main part is to find a way to relate all of these teachings into your life. You are the one who is supposed to benefit from these teachings. The ones that wrote it, the ones that delivered all of this, they're not here anymore in this world. They left it here in case they left it for you to get the message and make it better than them maybe did it. That's the reason why normally you want to leave something in this world in order to, let's say, support the upcoming generations to not go through all the mistakes and challenges and difficulties you might have had to face. So it's always about your life. It's never about blindly following something just because somebody told you to follow.
Here's a beginner-friendly Qigong routine inspired by Shi Heng Yi that you can follow to heal your mind and soul.
Let's stand up. Sleep. Amitofo. Stay in the horse stance. Stay in the horse stance one more time. Put the hands to the front. Tuck the tailbone in. Don't go too low, don't stand too high, don't put the butt out.
This practice trains the root of the body, your legs, your center of gravity, your posture. But more than that, it trains the root of the mind, patience, endurance, and stillness.
20 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax a moment.
These Qigong movements are not just physical, they are messages from your soul to your body, from nature to your spirit.
Hands behind the head. And lifting the knees up, right knee to the right elbow, left knee to the left elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. Left foot to the front. Left foot to the front. Right leg to the back. The right heel is up. And stretch the front side of your right leg.
Playing with the Qi ball is like sculpting your energy field. It sharpens your sensitivity, it deepens your concentration, and most of all, it shows you that healing energy is already within you.
Switch side. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, stand up. And go Mabu again. Yeah, stay. If you can, then you practice with the thighs here almost parallel to the ground. Back straight. Okay, and hold 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Relax. Okay, hand behind the head. And lift the knee again. Go this time 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
This movement is like washing your energy body with light. You gather the energy of the universe. As they lower, you let that energy flow through you, cleansing, grounding, centering.
7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. So now, just push up position. Here. And hold the position. 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2.
The heart is the home of the spirit, but modern life burdens it with worry, fear, and regret. This exercise gently opens the heart, like a lotus emerging from the mud.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Okay, stand up. Okay. Then both arms open.
This movement teaches gentleness toward the self, toward others, toward life. In embracing the moon, we learn to embrace the shadows we carry without fear.
Inhale, exhale, in, out, in, out, in, out, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Yeah, very soft. Follow the flow. Inhale, exhale, synchronized with the way how you are moving. So there's no hardness inside. When you're moving upwards, inhale, open the chest. And when the arms sink down, exhale. Okay, everyone, 10 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
True healing is not about doing more. It is about listening deeper. Each breath, each motion is a prayer, a restoration. Return to them daily, slowly, consciously, and you will remember, you are not separate from the flow. You are the flow.